Water is considered precious. Why? 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, but 97% of it is salt water, which is unfit for human use. Salt water cannot be used for human consumption or even irrigation. Only 3% of the world's water resources remain, and from that, only about 1% is readily available for human consumption. India is the world's second largest water consuming country. As it is a limited resource with incredible needs, the water industry is bound to expand. Furthermore, India has a growing population which only strengthens the importance and need for water. The government's Nal Se Jal scheme is expected to attract an investment of rupees 6.3 lakh crore to the water and sanitation sector in the next 5 years. Mutual funds started focusing on this segment. BNP Paribas Mutual Fund has announced the launch of the BNP Paribas Aqua Fund. With all this in mind, water is an industry which is bound to increase dramatically in the coming years. I am Dr. Krish. Welcome to our channel Krishdom Investor. Here you get timely, quality and unbiased opinion on the stocks and investment opportunities. About this video, I have shortlisted 20 stocks based on water connection. Investors can look into them from a long-term investment perspective. These 20 stocks are classified into 6 different segments. They are strong or improving fundamentals, having a good management team. Top undervalued stock from each of the 6 segments is highlighted in this video. Finally, my opinion for top 3 water stocks to invest in is put forward. Let's move to the stocks. 20 water stocks are classified into the segments of water management. Companies have diversified businesses, and here we see such companies that have significant revenues from water management or have recently entered this segment based on government policy interventions. Water and wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is a process used to remove contaminants from wastewater or sewage and convert it into effluent that can be returned to the water cycle with acceptable impact on the environment or reused for various purposes. We will see such stocks that fall under this category here. Bottled water beverages. Bottled water is drinking water. Example, well water, distilled water, mineral water or spring water, packaged in plastic or glass water bottles. We will see stocks that fall under this category here. Water pump manufacturers. A water pump is a mechanical device that can circulate water or raise it from one level to another. We will see stocks that fall under this category here. Water tanker manufacturers. A water tank is a container for storing water. Water tanks provide water storage for use in many applications, including drinking water, irrigation, agriculture, fire suppression, agricultural farming, both for plants and livestock, chemical manufacturing, food preparation and many other uses. We will see stocks that fall under this category here. And the last segment is aquaculture. Aquaculture is breeding, raising and harvesting fish, shellfish and aquatic plants. Basically, it's farming in water. We will see stocks that fall under this category here. Segment number 1. Water management. Stock number 1. The company name is Ion Exchange India Limited. Ion Exchange India Limited is primarily engaged in the water and environment management business. The company offers products including ion exchange resins, water treatment plants and chemical additives. They operate not only in India but also other countries in Africa. Its key parameters are given here for your ready reference. The current market price is at Rs 1216.3 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 12.4%. Market cap at 1750 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 1495 and Rs 599 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are: company has reduced debt. Company has delivered good profit growth of 57.26% CAGR over last 5 years. Negatives are: mutual funds decreased their shareholding last quarter. It's at expensive valuation. Let's move to stock number 2. The company name is Hindustan Unilever Limited. HUL launched Purit, which is the world's most advanced range of in-home water purifiers. It is actively investing in this segment. The current market price is at rupees 2436 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is minus 58.9%. Market cap at 5,71,731 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 2505 and rupees 1902 respectively. The positives for this company are raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. FII is increasing their shareholding. Negative is stock is trading at high PE. Let's move to stock number 3. The company name is Tata Consumer Products Limited. Tata Consumer Products Limited is one of the leading companies of the Tata Group with a presence in the food and beverages business in India and internationally. It entered into the water segment. The current market price is at rupees 664.1 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is at 39.5%. Market cap at 60,327 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 685 and rupees 310 respectively. The positives for this company are stocks where mutual funds increasing holdings in past month, increasing revenue every quarter for the past 3 quarters. FII or institutions increasing their shareholding. Negatives are expensive valuations, high PE. Let's see the undervalued stock under this segment. The undervalued stock at the current valuations from the water management segment is Ion Exchange India Limited. Under segment water and wastewater treatment. Let's move to stock number 4. The company name is VA Tech Vaba Limited. VA Tech Vaba is one of the India's leading companies in the water sector. They provide similar services in the wastewater treatment, industrial water treatment and desalination plant sectors. The current market price is at rupees 235.55 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 81.1%. Market cap at 1480 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 304 and rupees 88 respectively. The positives for this company are rising net cash flow and cash from operating activity, FII increasing their shareholding, and the negative is increasing trend in non-core income. Let's move to stock number 5. The company name is Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited. The company is not completely in the water sector. According to their balance sheet, Triveni is one of the India's largest integrated sugar manufacturers and a market leader in its engineering businesses, encompassing high-speed gears, gearboxes, and water and wastewater treatment solutions. From the wastewater treatment solutions, revenues close to rupees 325 crores. The current market price is at rupees 108.55. A 1-year return versus Nifty is 122.8%. Market cap at 2,598 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 108.7 and rupees 34.5 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are raising returns on equity, momentum and earnings yield. Mutual funds and FIIs increased their shareholding last quarter. Negative is that declining revenue every quarter for the past 3 quarters. Let's move to stock number 6. The company name is Thermax Limited. Thermax Limited offers solutions to energy, environment and chemical sectors. The company's portfolio includes water and water recycle plant, ion exchange resins and performance chemicals and related services. According to their annual report, their water and wastewater sector carries out the following activities: water treatment solutions, wastewater treatment solutions, water waste incineration, zero liquid discharge, desalination plants. The current market price is at rupees 1325 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 27.4%. Market cap at 14,924 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 1465 and rupees 684 respectively. The positives for this company are company with low debt, book value per share improving for last 2 years, growth in net profit with increasing profit margin on quarter. Negatives are degrowth in revenue, declining net cash flow, major fall in trailing 12-month net profit. The undervalued stock at the current valuations from the wastewater treatment segment is Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited. Let's move to the next segment, bottled water beverages. Let's move to stock number 7. The company name is IRCTC. The IRCTC launched Rail Neer to enhance passengers' amenities. It's a branded packaged drinking water for the rail commuters. At present, IRCTC has 11 operational Rail Neer plants and 6 more being set up under PPP mode with capital support from IRCTC. The current market price is at rupees 1612 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is minus 38.6%. Market cap at 25,627 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 2073 and rupees 1190 respectively. The positives for this company are strong annual EPS growth, ROE and ROC improving since last 2 years, FII and mutual funds increasing their shareholding. Negatives are there is a significant coronavirus impact on the performance of this company. Most likely to trade below simple moving average of 200 soon. It's at expensive valuations. Let's move to stock number 8. The company name is Varun Beverages Limited. It is a key player in the beverage industry and one of largest franchises of PepsiCo in the world. The current market price is at rupees 936 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is minus 0.4%. Market cap at 27,019 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 1130 and rupees 571 respectively. The positives for the company are book value per share improving for last 2 years. Mutual funds increased holdings in past month. Negatives are high market cap with lower public shareholding. Degrowth in revenue, profits and operating profit margin in recent results, quarter on quarter. Let's move to stock number 9. The company name is Orient Beverages Limited. Orient Beverages is engaged in the manufacturing, trading and marketing of packaged drinking water and carbonated soft drinks under the trade brand Bisleri. The current market price is at rupees 63.25 and the 1-year return versus Nifty is minus 34.2%. Market cap at 13.8 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 97 and rupees 48 respectively. The positives for this company are promoters increasing shareholding quarter on quarter. Growth in net profit with increased profit margin quarter on quarter. Negatives are high interest payments compared to earnings. It's a weak momentum stock, price below short, medium and long term averages. Let's see the undervalued stock under this segment. The undervalued stock at the current valuations from the water beverages segment is none. No stock is undervalued. All are at high premiums. Let's move to the stocks under water pump manufacturers. Stock number 10. The company name is KSB Limited. KSB Pumps Limited is engaged in the business of the manufacture of power-driven pumps and industrial valves. The current market price is rupees 857.95 and the 1-year return versus Nifty is 2.2%. Market cap at 2,913 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 954 and rupees 425 respectively. The positives for this company are strong financials, rising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. Negatives are growing costs year on year for long-term projects. Decline in quarterly profit with falling profit margin year on year. Let's move to stock number 11. The company name is Kirloskar Brothers Limited. Kirloskar Brothers is engaged in providing fluid management solutions globally. The current market price is rupees 213.25 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 57.9%. Market cap at 1695 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 285 and rupees 85 respectively. The positives for this company are 10% increase in share price over 3 months with rising net profit growth. Current TTM PE ratio less than 3-year, 5-year and 10-year PE. FIIs are institutions increasing their shareholding. Negatives are companies with growing costs year on year for long-term projects. Mutual funds decreased their shareholding last quarter. Let's move to stock number 12. The company name is WPIL. WPIL is principally engaged in designing, developing, manufacturing, erecting, commissioning and servicing pumps and pumping systems. The current market price is at rupees 574.2 and the 1-year return versus Nifty is 5.7%. Market cap at 560 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 685 and rupees 304 respectively. The positives for this company are promoters increasing shareholding quarter on quarter. FII is increasing their shareholding. Company with high TTM EPS growth. Negatives are poor cash generated from core business. Declining cash flow from operations for last 2 years. Companies with growing costs year on year for long-term projects. The undervalued stock at the current valuations from the water pump manufacturers segment is WPIL Limited. Let's move to the stocks under the segment water tanker manufacturers. Stock number 13. The company name is Eicher Motors Limited. It is incorporated in 1982, a listed company of the Eicher Group in India and a leading player in the Indian automobile industry. It is also in the manufacturing of water tankers and Elliott accessories. It is known to only a few of us. The current market price is at rupees 2370 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is 5.5%. Market cap at 64,758 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 3037 and rupees 1285 respectively. The positives for this company are brokers upgraded recommendation or target price in the past 3 months. FIs increasing their shareholding. Negatives are declining profitability, falling ROCE, expensive valuations, promoters decreasing their shareholding. Stock number 14. The company name is Tata Motors. Tata water tankers are suitable for carrying heavy loads. These are suitable to carry water, milk, and fuel. They are easy to maintain and are fuel efficient. The current market price is at rupees 301.4 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is 237.2%. Market cap at 1,08,434 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 357 and rupees 72 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are increasing profits every quarter for the past 3 quarters. Promoter holding increased more than 2% quarter on quarter. Company with decreasing promoter pledge. Negatives are inefficient use of capital to generate profits. ROCE declining in the last 2 years. Linked to ongoing regulatory investigations such as deceptive trade practices. Declining profitability, falling ROCE. Stock number 15. The company name is Ashok Leyland. It is growing its presence in manufacturing water trucks and tankers. The current market price is at rupees 109.9 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is 69.8%. Market cap at 32,261 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 138.9 and rupees 42 respectively. The positives for this company are increasing revenue and profits every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Turnaround companies lost to profit quarter on quarter. Negatives are promoters have increased their pledge, increasing debt, declining net cash flow. Stock number 16. The company name is J Balaji Industries, India's number 3 manufacturer of DRI water pipes. The current market price is at rupees 39 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is 48.9%. Market cap at 441 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 42 and rupees 13.8 respectively. The positives for this company are raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. 10% increase in share price over 3 months with raising net profit growth. Turnaround companies lost to profit quarter on quarter. However, it's a low durability company and just recently settled its debts to AMCs outside NCLT. The undervalued stock at the current valuations from the water tanker and elite manufacturer segment is Jay Balaji Industries. Let's move to the next segment of aquaculture. Stock number 17. The company name is Coastal Corporation. Coastal Corporation is engaged in the processing and export of seafood. The current market price is at rupees 168.95 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is minus 66.8%. Market cap at 171.8 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 290 and rupees 160 respectively. The positives for this company are raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity, increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Stock with low PE. Negatives are degrowth in revenue and profit, major fall in TTM net profit. Let's move to stock number 18. The company name is Waterbase. It is engaged in manufacturing and selling shrimp feeds and shrimp aquaculture for 30 years. The current market price is at rupees 106.45 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is minus 39.4%. Market cap at 441 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 145.9 and rupees 85 respectively. The positives for this company are promoters increasing shareholding quarter on quarter, improving cash flow and book value, raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. Negatives are expensive valuations. ROCE and ROE declining in the last 2 years. Fall in quarterly revenue and net profit. Let's move to stock number 19. The company name is Geel Aqua. It has a shrimp harvesting and trading unit and aquaculture processing units. The current market price is at 64.1 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is minus 82.6%. Market cap at 80.8 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 90 and rupees 48 respectively. The positives for this company are increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Company with zero promoter pledge. 30-day simple moving average crossing over 200-day simple moving average. Negatives are decline in quarterly net profit with falling profit margin year on year, growing costs year on year for long-term projects. And let's focus on stock number 20. The company name is Sharath Industries Limited. It is engaged in aquaculture. Its products are processed prawn and quality hatched seed and feed. The current market price is at rupees 28.9 and a 1 year return versus Nifty is minus 19%. Market cap at 63.6 crores. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 34.4 and rupees 18.4 respectively. The positives for this company are effectively using its capital to generate profit. ROC improving in last 2 years. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. Negatives are resignation of top management personals. Companies with growing costs year on year for long-term projects. Now, the undervalued stock at the current valuations from the aquaculture segment is Coastal Corporation Limited. The top 3 stocks which you may consider doing SIPs at CMP are as follows: V8 Tech Waba Limited, Thermax Limited, and WPIL Limited. Please do let me know in the comment section your opinion on the water industry and which one among these segments may produce more multi-baggers. I will post a list of some less known potential multi-baggers on my members only wall. Please click the join button and enroll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your investments.